Hi everyone, if you're looking to build a career in finance, data or investing, this is the course platform to watch and I'll show you how to get it at a discount. 365 Financial Analyst offers certified professional level courses in Excel, financial modeling, Python, data science and more. And without referral link below to this video, you can unlock special pricing and bundle deals instantly. So actually, what is the benefit to have access to this amazing platform? Well, first of all, you have access to step-by-step video lessons, real-world case studies, quizzes and projects, certificates to boost your resume, trusted by thousands of learners worldwide, and great for beginners to level up. Actually, guys, that's all. Just click the referral link below to this video to access exclusive discount up to 50% off full access or even lifetime offers when available. No promo code needed. The deal applies automatically. And for sure, make sure to create your account once you use the link, because if you don't sign up, you will not get access to the discounted prices.